Hey guys, I just plugged in my Daolar portable EV charger here in this electric cabinet, and we can see the charger is turned on. Here we can change the amperage, so it's 8, 10, 13 or 16 amps, and we can see the temperature. We can do some timings here if we want, but let's just plug it in the car and see how it works. So here we have the type 2 charging cable for the car, and we're plugging it in. It's lighting the green light, so it should be starting to charge. And checking here on the other end, we can see it started at a few kilowatt watts, but it's going up, so it should go up to 11 kilowatts. Now we can see it's at 15 amps and the power is 10.9 kilowatts, and it's charging at that full power which we would expect it to charge at. Okay, seems it's working, so I'll use it for a few days and see how it works in daily use. Thanks for watching.